Hello there, it's me, Natalie, and this entire month, literally my only priority has been going back to school shopping for you guys. So hold up, if you haven't watched my last video, make sure you check it out because I'm literally doing the biggest back to school giveaway ever, and you might just be missing out. So more on that at the end of this video. So I was going through the aisles of Target, Walmart, Office Depot, pretty much all the places that you can buy all of the cutest back to school supplies ever. This video thumbs up if you love to go back to school shopping, but you don't really want to go back to school because that's so me. But before that, be sure that you click that subscribe button down below so that I can deliver a full pizza to your door. But I can't do that unless you ring my bell, or else you can't get your pizza. You got 5 seconds to do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's get on to these cool school supplies. Alright, so the very first cool school supply that we have going on, try to say that 3 times, it's a tongue twister. Cool school supplies, cool school supplies, cool school supplies, is the Unbreakable Pencil. So pretty much it's what it sounds like, it's unbreakable. I mean, how many of you guys have had a pencil that is unreliable? But in the back, it pretty much says, click once, click twice, click 3 times, unbreakable. Claims to provide a precise and enjoyable writing experience, which hopefully we shall see. So how we're gonna be testing this is comparing this to a normal mechanical pencil versus this. And we're gonna click the normal mechanical pencil 3 times to see if it breaks. And then we're gonna do the same thing with this one. So ain't nobody got time to see me drawing some stick figures up in here. So today we're actually gonna be including some movies that are coming out and some nostalgia up in here. So comment below which one you plan on watching, SpiderMan, Lion King, or Dora the Explorer. We have ourselves a little picture here that I'm gonna be testing out. Very sturdy, very nice and like textured right here. Once, twice, 3 times. It's never happened, guys, but here's an unreleased Yubi times Natalie collaboration. Do you guys want to make that happen? Can you go tweet them? So we're gonna be writing every letter of the alphabet. What is it said? A quick brown fox jumped over, something like that. Oh my god. Wait, Natalie times Yubi is awesome. The lazy dog.
It's a sentence that uses every letter of the alphabet.
That's it. Now we're gonna be using our unbreakable lead. It does feel a little more sturdy though. Brown, but I personally prefer Natalie.
Wow.
I swear I didn't even do that on purpose. Oh my god, it broke. So I'm just gonna write normally. Oh, let's look up close. Do you see what's going on? Oh, you can't see it anymore. You see how it kind of retracts?
Yeah.
You see that?
Mm-hmm.
That's
wow,
oh,
that's
that is
cool.
Really cool, actually.
It goes
see?
in.
Yeah, it goes in.
There we go. Wow.
Whoa, that is really cool. So I could see it working. All right, so now for the ultimate drawing test, I'm gonna be drawing Simba. Oh my god, this is actually really hard. Will this be a fail or a holy grail? Oh god, his eyes look weird. Not bad. He has really good hair. Simba has really good hair. This is what I got. Original versus mine. Wait. What do you guys think is better? Please say Natalie did a good job. King, he has a lot of hair. This was the original picture. All right, you guys, this is the world's first self-sharpening pencil. What? Wow! There's actually a rotating mechanism in here that prevents also lead breakage, and it utilizes a diamond infused lead. Like, what does that even mean? It rotates pretty much to prevent itself from breaking, and it continues sharpening. So crazy. We are actually gonna be trying this on several different types of paper. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, can we just get a glimpse? Am I the only like stationary nerd up in here? This is it. Oh, I love the click. You have a little eraser here, very nice. Oh my god, it's so smooth. Whoa, it feels awesome. But like, what's going on? Like, I think we have to zoom in closer.
Wow.
Really?
Yeah, I can see it.
I can't see it.
You see that little circle?
Yeah.
As you write, that circle starts spinning around.
Oh, that is cool. Oh, whoa. All right, so we're gonna put the self-sharpening to the test by actually writing on sandpaper. Oh my god, it's like dying. This is so sad.
That's a little bit more, so it has a little bit of an advantage.
Oh my god, just like all the lead is just like going away. It's dying on me.
Oh.
Next cool school gadget. Alright, this next cool school gadget is Sharpies that literally writes on anything, from oily surfaces to abrasive, dusty surfaces to metal. Maybe this is perfect for the student that's like the artsy type that likes to write on wood, or you just like to create beautiful things in your room. Really cool. What am I gonna write on, Dennis? Ooh, I love this. Regular. We have extra fine paper right here. We're about to draw really rough sandpaper. It's wood. This is metal, right?
No.
Aluminum?
Duh.
Cool. But I feel like a normal Sharpie would write on this. Do you see me? See, it also writes. So this is the fine paper test. Sandpaper. Hello. Which I also feel like Sharpies would write on. But it's really nice and smooth. The tip is getting a little worn out, but looking pretty good. I just feel like Sharpies are so durable.
Ooh, that one's looking derpy.
Oh my god. It got really messed up.
It killed it.
I'm sorry, Sharp. I didn't mean to make you go through this. Holy
Damn.
moly!
Natalie, that was unnecessary.
Wow. And we're gonna draw Spider-Man on this one. One shot. Oh my god, this literally feels like paper. Wow. Wow. Wow, buddy, wow. I don't know what I'm doing. Wow, it's really, really, really durable.
Why is it coming out pink?
Oh, that's a good question.
Isn't it purple? Troy, that bad?
I think.
I don't think
But
the wood is really affecting it that much.
Yeah, you're right. All right, final result. Not too bad. Not for a first try. So here we go. And I'm gonna write something very special just for you guys. Whoa. It's nice and smooth. Wow, this is really strong. All right, so using tissue paper, I'm gonna see if this removes itself. It doesn't. I guess the purple does come off more than the black one. All right, so we have ourselves a little pipe. We're gonna write on this.
Someone tattoo that on their arm and
No.
then tag us.
Don't do that, guys. And now let's try the purple. Final verdict, this is a good product. So this next cool school supply is these metallic Sharpie pens. Okay, by the way, while I'm removing this, I just wanted to give a huge shout out to Evelina. Evelina, thank you so much for watching my video. So if you want a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is be sure to comment hashtag notification squad and be here in the first 30 minutes that every video goes live. The only way to do that, of course, is to be sure that you're subscribed and have that notification bell turned on so that YouTube notifies you and you can be here in the first 30 minutes. We have these, oh my god, they're so beautiful. So I'm actually gonna be writing these on these really awesome transparent sticky note cards. We actually tested this out in the last video. If you guys are interested, you should definitely check it out. Oh, this is actually a good little drawing hack.
Wow.
Nice,
so
Dora.
cool.
Yeah. Oh my god, they're so pretty. We're drawing Dora the Explorer. She's got some really cool hair on right now. Beautiful, so pigmented. She looks kind of creepy. Oh my god. So pretty. All right, when I saw this school supply, I literally, like, my jaw dropped and I was like, Dennis, oh my god, come over here. These are dual tip liquid highlighters. I have never seen anything like this. There's 2 in 1, which makes it that cool. And then just the design is so incredible. Like, take a look at that. Oh my goodness. Let's make her like Wenji. Past Wenji, because Wenji doesn't have his hair anymore.
Hello, Wenji.
Hi, Wenji. And here we have our Wenji Simba. You guys can take a picture of this and send it to her and tag me on Instagram. Okay. This is the 0.2 smallest lead literally in the world. When I first saw it, I was like, whoa, this is really interesting, very cool. It could also be really great for detail work or if you just want to write really nice and tidy and pretty notes. So I'm really interested to try this out. This one also says that it's anti-breaking. It actually has a sleeve covering over the lead. You only click it once for it to work. So we shall see. Oh my god, and it has literally the tiniest little eraser. Please do not advance the lead beyond this pipe. As you can see, there's no lead coming through, that's just the pipe, and that's how you're supposed to write with it. It shows a little picture right there. You can't take the lead out.
Wow.
That's not actually the lead. The lead is inside, but that's how it's gonna be. You see that? So Dennis just gave me a challenge. She's like, you should trace this. This only Audi squad members know what this is. If you want to join, there's going to be a link down below. These are my custom little emojis.
Wow.
It's so tiny. Wow. Oh my god, it's actually really smooth too. Wow. Let me try to see how little I could write. Wow. Okay, I'm still gonna keep going until it's like not legible. Whoa.
Holy crap.
This is like a challenge in itself. Whoa, and it's still so legible. Whoa. Oh my god, that is so cool. I love this. What the heck? The hair is so much prettier than mine. That's pretty much that. So this one is called the dry erase tape. It's like a dry erase board on the go. You can take it wherever you want. It could be used to like organize your binders or your locker, or it says that it works really great on glass. A dry erase board on a cup. 2019 people. Hello there. I'm a cup.
Wow. It's deep.
So super simple. You just peel it, place it on. English.
Wow, you write your E's really weird.
English class, so you can label all of your stuff if you'd like. All right, so right here we have some sticky notes. Now they're not any kind of sticky notes, they're the extreme notes. These babies can withstand tornadoes, hurricanes, earthquakes. Let's just say that you have to leave your mom a note and it's raining and you're rushing back home, but you have to leave her a note. Okay, this doesn't feel like paper. Does it look like paper on camera? Because it's textured. It feels very sturdy. I almost feel like, let me try to break it. Whoa. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna blast this thing and see if it falls. Here we go. Holding up pretty good. It's really sturdy. Bam, comment below. So by far, this school supply that I have right here is one of the coolest things that I've ever seen. Dennis actually had showed me this a long time ago, the Fisher Space Pen. Think about this. So this is a pen that pretty much is reliable. You can write underwater with it. That is so awesome. Take it up in space. I mean, astronauts and scientists use this all the time. This pen can perform in temperatures that are -30 degrees up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. That is hot and pretty much just super durable. So we're gonna be testing this out in water today. It's kind of losing its inkiness. It's getting tougher. Nice, bold, thick lines.
It's because the cartridge is under pressure.
Oh. All right, and now for the ultimate test, we're gonna be doing a normal pen versus the Fisher Space Pen underwater. Let's see. All right, so I'm gonna try the normal pen first.
Whoa. Okay.
Oh, but it's not working anymore. So if it wrote for like a moment, and then it said bye. Now we're gonna try the Fisher Space Pen. Even going like that just writes, even little dots, look at that. Whoa. Oh, that is so awesome. Oh my goodness. This is amazing.
Wow. This is a, whoa.
There you have it.
And that actually shows that those sticky notes are pretty resilient as well.
They really are, yeah. And they don't write, like I said. Okay, well they do, but with much force. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up and comment down below which of these items you enjoyed so that I can send them your way. And speaking of items to send your way, I'm currently doing a huge, massive, incredible back to school giveaway that you guys don't want to miss. If you want to check it out, you can click this button right over here or the link down below in my description. So on how to enter, this giveaway is open internationally to all my beautiful subscribers. So if you're not a part of the family, be sure to hit that subscribe and that notifications on so that you can enter the giveaway. So be sure that you're following me on Instagram at Natalies, and the only thing you have to do is be sure that you comment on this specific picture right here, what your dream job is and what grade you are going to be going into. So I'm going to be going through the comments and picking 6 lucky subscribers. Be sure that you let me know which of these 6 giveaways you prefer. Best of luck. I hope you guys have an amazing day. If you haven't started school already, you are lucky. If you have, you will pull through because I'm about to send you all these amazing back to school supplies. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and as always, don't forget to live weird or die normal. Bye.